everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mangodlong Rock Resort and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the resort at yung room namin. So samahan niyo ko guys, let's start the tour. Currently guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mangodlong Resort entrance. Yan po. And this is their parking area po. Dito po yung entrance nila sa Mangodlong Resort, and let's go inside. And first, before kayo papasok dito guys, you gotta wash your shoes or your chinelas dito. And don't forget to always wash your hands para prevent tayo sa coronavirus. Yung mga guidelines before tayo papasok dito: body temperature check, wear your mask, disinfect, observe social distancing. Kung bibisita lang kayo dito guys at mag-picture, mag-swimming, I think the entrance before was 100 pesos, pero tanungin ko si ate mamaya kung magkano. I'll just give you an update, pero I think it's 100 pesos lang po. So dito po yung entrance nila, papasok na tayo guys. Ito po yung itsura. And upon entering, makikita nyo yung map ng Camotes Island. So nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Mangodlong Beach Resort. Sana siya. Hindi ko makita. Nandito pala sa pinakababa. So ito po yung mapa ng Camotes Island. This side guys, dito po yung information desk, yung counter or yung cashier area. So kung mag-check-in kayo guys, dito kayo pupunta. Hi ate. Hello po. Ano pangalan nila ma'am? Yung name po nila?
Chinkor po.
Chinkor?
Chinkor.
Chinkor. Nice to meet you, Chinkor. So siya po yung front desk dito guys. Thank you te. So dito po kayo mag-check-in before kayo mag-stay dito. This is the pathway to the beach. And on my other side, dito po yung swimming pool nila. Yan. Dito po yung mga tables nila. Yan. And this is their kitchen and washing area. Dito po yung dining area ng Mangodlong Beach Resort na restaurant. And doon po yung cashier nila guys. Yan. Diyan po kayo pwede mag-order. Yung harapan nyo guys, ito po yung view nyo. This is their beach. Meron silang mga bench dyan. Pwede kayo mag-relax. And on the other side guys, dito po yung sign ng Mangodlong Rock. Ito po yung beach. Yan. Ang linaw-linaw talaga ng tubig guys. Nice talaga dito guys kung gusto nyo mag-swimming, mag-picture, mag-bonding, mag-relax. So this is the perfect place guys kung gusto nyo white sand, clean water, at maraming isda dito guys. Maraming mga flying fish. While we were kayaking earlier, madami talagang nag-jump na mga flying fish dito guys. So better watch those out if you happen to come by here. And yung kayak pala guys, super ganda talaga guys kasi yung place na mapuntahan natin is around the cove. So dito lang tayo pwede mag kayak guys, mag-swimming. So meron silang boundary doon. So hanggang doon lang talaga. Hindi na kayo pwede maglampas sa boundary na yan para safety lang. And on the other side guys, meron silang mga rock formations. And dyan din po I think nakatira yung mga locals. So may mga residential area din yan dyan. I'm not really sure, pero parang kasi kanina may buwaba dyan na mga fisherman. So nag-iisa sila doon. Hinihingal na ako. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may Mangodlong rock sign. So ito pa yung itsura. Yan. May octopus na slide din dito, guys. Yan. At madami silang mga nipahat. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doon. Punta muna tayo sa octopus nila. Octopus slide. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Ang linaw-linaw talaga ng tubig. At white sand pa. So dito po yung entrance sa slide. Wow. So dito po. Yan. Diyan kayo babaksak, guys. Kung mag-swimming kayo. Diyan po. Tingnan nyo naman yung view. Super ganda talaga. At ang linaw-linaw ng tubig. Super nice. At walang basura. Yan. So meron silang 1, 2, and I think 3 doon banda, and 4 dyan banda. 5 pala. Lima pala yung slide nila dito. I think malalim na yun dyan banda. Kung hindi kayo marunong maglangoy, huwag na lang para safe. So may slide din pala dito. Nice. Look at that view. Super ganda. So let's go back down. Puntahan natin, guys, yung other side of the octopus na slide. So come on, let's go, let's explore. So this is another path going to that nipahat. Yan. And dito din banda may nipahat din na malaki. Hello kuya. So dito po yung ibang beach nila. So dito kayo mahulog sa slide. Hello kuya, agi lang ko. Okay, at dito banda may additional na nipahat na naman. So marami talaga mga places dito kung saan kayo pwede magtambay. Yan, yan. At yung view super ganda. Sobrang tahimik. So perfect talaga dito mag-meditate. Gusto nyo mag-senti-senti. So okay na okay to dito. Kasi wala talaga masyadong tao. Yan, oh, tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang linis ng tubig at maraming mga seaweed at madaming isda. Yan. Puntahan natin yung other side ng maliit na island na to. So let's go. Nandito na tayo sa may last na nipahat dito sa maliit na island na to, sa Mangodlong Little Island. Yun na lang ipapangalan ko sa island na to. Wow, parang owner talaga, no? So ito po yung maliit na bridge dito, guys, for you to get to this exclusive nipahat. On this area, guys, pwede din kayo mag-inuman dito, guys, during night time. Super ganda talaga dito, pero wala lang ilaw. So magdala lang kayo ng lampara kung pupunta kayo dito if you are planning to have your little own party. Pupuntahan natin yung other area ng resort. So na-explore na natin yung Octopus Island. Yun na lang yung pangalan ko, Octopus Island. Wow, Octopus Island talaga kasi may octopus.
A few minutes later.
Dito na tayo guys sa swimming pool area. So ito po yung itsura niya. This is the swimming pool. Yeah. Yung swimming pool fee guys, it's only for 100 pesos for adults and 50 pesos for children. So before kayo mag-swimming sa swimming pool nila, mag-shower muna kayo. So on this part, meron silang nipahat na may view ng beach din. And may maraming mga nipahat dito. Yan. And also the rooms. Andiyan yung mga rooms nila. Ngayon, mag-room tour na tayo kasi aalis na kami. So dito po yung room namin. This is our room, the Beachfront number 2. So nagpe-prepare na sila kasi aalis na kami ngayon. Oh my god. Hey! Hello! Kung mag-room tour na tayo. This is our room guys. So meron silang queen size bed, good for 2. And single bed. Anong meron dyan siya?
Meron silang glass window.
Wow, ganun talaga pag open. Hindi pang provincial. Pang city girl. Oh my god. Sige. So, dito din pala guys, meron silang table. Ito po. Earlier guys, or kahapon, nag-check-in kami, meron dito 3 teacups and may coffee and yung kettle. Maghingi na kayo ng tubig guys doon sa restaurant or sa mga staff sa front desk and they're gonna help you out. And meron silang 2 chairs. Yan. Chairs. And flat screen TV. At meron silang cable. Dito yung remote nila. And this is our room key. And the mirror.
Don't forget the
And as well as the clock. Ito po. And another dresser. Yan. Table. Dito ba na guys, may aparador. Pwede kayo dito magsabit ng mga damit nyo. This is another space guys. Pwede kayo maglagay ng mga damit nyo dyan. Yan. And also, the aircon. Yan. At ngayon pupunta tayo sa CR nila. So ito yung itsura ng CR nila guys. Ito. They have the faucet. Meron silang free na shampoo and conditioner at meron silang free na sabon din. Pero toothbrush at toothpaste, wala po. Nagdala lang kami ng sariling toothbrush namin at Colgate. And ito po yung toilet nila. I-flush muna natin. So ito po. The toilet. At meron silang bidet. Yan. I-check din natin yung tubig nila guys. Malakas yung agas ng tubig, so okay. And meron silang shower din. Meron din hot and cold. So, yun na po yung room namin guys. So, how much is the room till? I don't...
nabayaran is 236.
236?
Discounted kasi sa vaccine. Oh, kapag meron kayong vaccination card,
May
kung
discount.
vaccinate, meron kayong discount na 20%.
So that is it guys, that is our room. If you have any suggestions or comments, just leave it on the comment box. So see you on our next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mini tour of the resort and as well as the room. Bye! See you!